Hi, my name is Nikhil, and I'm sitting here with the cast of Heavenly Birth Insurance. The first question I have for both of you is what do you like about the story of Heavenly Birth Insurance?
What I like about the story is the karma point of view in that story, and I completely believe in that. That what you give, you get back.
For me was the uniqueness and that whole concept of karma intertwining and relating to this day and age. Like that was, I think, for me, the one that stood out from the script. And I thought, you know what, let's do this at short and sweet.
Yes, and one more thing, the relevance, of course, but it was heavenly. That's something very different, right?
My outlook on why I chose the script is because it was a very unique premise, saying that what if you can get an insurance policy that can guarantee a life on earth that you always wanted? What are you ready to give up in order to get what you really want? So it's all about in that emotional state of getting what we want, we never understand and comprehend the repercussions it might have in the future. And this is one tale where such devastating repercussions happen, and these two souls are left to deal with those repercussions.
Do you work here?
Yes.
I mean, you chose this job? It was not assigned to you?
I was offered a range of jobs to do, yes.
Do you have any plans to return?
Do we know each other?
One of the things that I liked about the play is that both characters have so many layers. As an actor, I'm not acting in one of these plays, but like as an actor, it's a very amazing, beautiful opportunity to work on a character who has so many layers and to be able to show different dimensions of that person on stage, and that too in a challenging aspect of a 10-minute duration. But also it was more about the interaction with these two characters. So the story about a mother and a son, everyone, I think it's a universal thing that we all relate to. What is your character about, and how do you see that character? What was your process to understand your character as an actor? How did you deal with it?
I feel that Lillian is like any mother. She chose something, she regrets it because what she chose affected so many people, close people around her, and that she could not take. That the guilt, the hurt, she's feeling hurt because when someone close to you is hurt, you yourself feel hurt. So that is what I loved, and she's trying to find her son since 200 years. She could make peace with him. So that is the beauty of this thing which I loved.
For John, right now he is in a safe place. He is hurt, he's extremely hurt. He's extremely angry at the fact that when he realized that he's made a sacrifice, or he was part of the sacrifice for the better life of his mother. There's a lot of hidden, a lot of hurt inside him, which is, channeled through anger, and that only comes out through the play. But having said that, otherwise he has this wall where, yes, this is what his life has been, and yeah. So this is what John Samuels is.
Is it worth it? I mean, have you sold people that policy and they've found it satisfactory?
It's a choice some people make, not here to judge.
What is your favorite moment in the play that you have?
I love the last scene where we are just facing one another. I don't know whether he'll forgive me or not. That moment of uncertainty where I can be forgiven, but I may not be. But I want to keep on trying as a mother, because now that I found him, I don't want to leave him till he forgives me. So
Exactly.
that was the
That's
point.
exactly-
Yes, that was the point which I loved. That when you've hurt someone, you keep on trying.
So for me, there are a few moments that I really enjoyed and I could relate. One was the fact that as a salesman, when he's trying to do his best to try to dissuade her from that policy which he doesn't want to sell. So that whole, tries that he does in that way. So that is one of the things that I really enjoyed in that way. So that is one of the things that I really enjoyed. Second was when, of course, in the end, he let go completely. And at the same time, there was a part where he was resisting throughout the end till she was here. So yeah, I mean, like, it's made up of these moments which makes this character so special. So, I mean, overall, the entire play has got, like, if you break it down, it's got so many special moments.
You know, I could sell you a more basic package with healthy children, or how about a spouse who doesn't drink and can only dance?
What was your experience in terms of putting up the play, in terms of rehearsals, in terms of our collaboration, in terms of you getting along with your actors?
When you sent me the script, I loved it. So that was like, yes, I want to do this. But when we started it, it was like, oh my God, I can't do it. It's how do you portray so many things together? I myself, if I see myself through the years, I would love to work with a director who knows what he wants and who can actually be so clear that this is how I want it done. So that's why I loved working with you.
And how was it working with Zilli?
He's an amazing actor, so anytime the reactions only, it was like I became a mother when I started. You know how it was like I was your mother, and it felt like that. And so it was so natural that the tears came. It was so natural to feel the guilt.
You know, taking a few things from the play, that it's all karmic and it was meant to be. So you were meant to be in the play regardless, because you had a leave, like, you know, she joined us late. But having said that, the vibe that I felt throughout was very maternal, which is amazing. And I will tell, like, you know, behind your back, I would be like, yeah, Nikhil, can you talk to her? I'll go and smoke. I didn't even want to do it in front of you, because I felt that. And I told him, like, you know, at the end of the day, she's my mom. So, and that wouldn't happen if I probably would have done it with someone else. So yes, I mean, it was very strong. I could feel that maternal vibes from you, which is amazing. And you, because you've by-hearted, or you've, like, you know, given so much of commitment to the play itself, even behind, like, you know, probably 2-3 months back when you probably read it. So your attachment just came through because you were so dedicated, you were so devoted to the script.
Just because your last life was unpleasant?
Yes, my last life was unpleasant, just like the boy in your story. Now, if you don't mind, if you're not here to buy insurance, I'd like you to leave.
Heavenly Birth Insurance. Presented by Lloyd Productions. Director Nikhil Mittal. Starring Zilli and Sheetal.